it's still very early. I don't want to be too loud because the other people are sleeping there. I don't want to wake them up, and it's only 6 o'clock on Sunday. But I had a really good night, really warm. I have slept with no hat and no socks. Can you imagine? I'd never do that, never ever. So I'm gonna have a coffee and get my stuff ready to go. And I'll talk to you a little bit later. When I'm alone, I mean. Okay, morning guys. So I'm back on the coastal path. I had a wonderful night at the campsite Kaidu. I arrived earlier, so I had time to go in the sea. I did not swim because I'm not a very good swimmer. A, B, I had no shoes and it was really rocky. And C, at the end of the day, water was cold. But I had a shower last night, I had my meal, and then I spent the half of the night chatting to a guys from Shrewsbury, lorry drivers that were also camping there, drunk insane amount of coffee just before bed, but I still managed to wake up on time, and I'm back on the trail today. So now hopefully I'll get to Machantlich today. We'll see how it goes. There we go, sunrise on this side, and I'm kind of hoping for less hilly route today, but honestly I better prep myself for any possibility. Right, I gotta go. There is a bit of road walking again, but it's early in the morning and there's no cars. You can probably see a glimpse of the sea on, you know, behind the brackens. What a morning. It's gonna be a hot day today. I think I messed up a little bit a few moments ago, and I took a wrong path. Sometimes the road is not signposted very well. Some places is amazing, some places not. But according to the guide and the OS map, I have to take this main road now for a bit. So I'll do that. Cause that other path really was leading me to a completely different place. So no. So I follow the road, and I am now aiming for Tathon, where hopefully I'll get something to eat. Hopefully. But alright, so not much to see here really. It's just the main road. But oh well. Now I'm walking parallel to the train track, right there by the sea. Nice view. Found a little local shop that was actually open on Sunday at 8 o'clock. So got me some breakfast and ice cream for breakfast as well. It was yummy. It's gone. But anyway, so I'm in town at a promenade, and if I can get down to the beach I will, and have my breakfast on the beach, I think. Sorry about that. And have a little rest, because yeah, been walking for 5 miles already, so I do need a break. Oh yeah, I can get down there. Great. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll have my breakfast and walks. I've got a good few miles from the beach. At the moment I'm gonna walk on this path and then I'll probably get there. It's a long beach. I'll show you in a moment. And then that will be it. I mean, no more sea until I get to both again. But yeah, let's not worry about it right now. Actually the path goes here over the dunes and this grasses here are a bit prickly actually. Yeah, I suppose I could go down to the sea, but I'm gonna follow the path for now, a couple of miles still. So at the moment I'm just gonna follow the path here for a little bit. When I get tired walking on the dunes, then I go down to the beach, because believe me, walking along the sand, dry sand, is tiring. It is, isn't it? Do you know what? I've changed my mind and I'm gonna walk on the beach with no shoes. Let my feet rest for a little bit, I suppose. Blusters, yes, but that's okay. So yeah, it's nice. It's going to be refreshing, it's going to be good for my feet. That feels really good. Cold, but really good. So I'm hoping by the time I get to the end of the beach, my feet will feel a little bit easier for the other part of the day. Back onto the dunes again. My feet have enough. I need to actually use my drinkable water to clean them. This isn't gonna be easy today. Not easy walk. But I'm gonna have a little break here because it's lovely here. And I also need to enjoy this walk, not only walk as a punishment. I know I have a lot to cover today. But oh well, I will just walk till later at night, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I remember when I told you, like, you can't plan those things to the exact detail. it's impossible, you know. The things are changing. I wanted to walk at the sea, even though the coastal path is over there, so I did. Why not? Sometimes you get lost, you lose your path, and you need to have a detour, or you want to see something, or you think you're gonna do that many miles, but you can't, or you do more. That happens as well. So yeah, it's impossible to plan it to the detail, but I do have to get to a certain point today in order to be home on time tomorrow. Well, so yeah. But hey, I'm not gonna think about it right now because it's too lovely in here. Kind of crazy to think that this is where I need to be next, but I can't cross over, and I have to go all the way inland onto Machynlleth and then back over there. So basically, instead of taking me half an hour, if I could cross over here, it would take me half an hour. I have to walk for a day and a half, another day and a half to get to Borth. Oh my god, my heels are killing me, and it's pretty bad. So I think I need to finish in Aberdyfi instead of trying to get another 20 kilometers to Machynlleth. I don't think I'll be able to walk at the end of the day, and I think I need to heal myself and then do the long walks again, or do the one, I don't know, I just have to sort something out. But yeah, I don't think I can walk that much longer. So this was a lovely walk again, and it was about 10 miles, and I put everything down for you. But yeah, nevertheless, you know, there will be another day and another chance to keep and continue and to do this other bit another time. But for now, I'm gonna say bye, and thank you very much for watching and being here with me.